Welcome back. Cabinet on Wednesday cancelled posts of 30 network engineers in IT department which were approved during assembly polls. Government is now planning for a common IT cadre for all the departments. Cabinet has also approved cardiology and cardiotherapy unit at JMC. Chief Minister briefed the media after cabinet meeting. The government has also deferred proposal of inauguration of NIT on the backdrop of removal of Goan security staff by the NIT.
कार्डियोलॉजी आणि कार्डियोथोरेसिक युनिट घालपाक गव्हर्मेंटान एक प्रपोजल दिल्ले हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंटान ताका अनुसरून आयज कॅबिनेटीन सरकारान हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंटाक 2 कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट 2 कार्डियोथोरेटिक सर्जन 1 कार्डियक एनेस्थियोलॉजिस्ट आणि 1 क्लिनिकल कार्डियक परफ्युशनिस्ट हांकां 1 वर्साच्या कॉन्ट्रॅक्टाचेर घेवन गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजीन कार्डियोथोरेटिक युनिट स्थापन करपाची परवानगी दिल्या. म्हणजे आतां सांगपाचें जाल्यार ऑपरेशन बायपास हें तें सगळें करणार. द प्रोसेस इज थ्रू अ कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट अपॉयंटमेंट. इट इज नॉट नॉमिनेटेड अपॉयंटमेंट. डिफर जाला तो NITचे कितें तरी उद्घाटनाच्या संदर्भात तांच्यान सगळ्या गोंयकारांक काडून थंय कोण नाका आशिल्ले हाडल्या. सो वी हॅव फर्स्ट टोल्ड देम टू कम एंड सी द गव्हर्मेंट ऑन द इश्यू. After that we will take it up. We are seeking explanation from them for some complaints which have been received. थंय जे पळय गोंयचो स्टाफ आशिल्लो सेक्युरिटी स्टाफ बी ताका काडला आनी नवीन ज्या एजन्सीक दिला ती एजन्सी इज एंगेजींग outside security agencies which is not accepted by the government. We have asked them to clarify on that and we will take decision on their matter only thereafter.
Mines and Geology Department arrested 2 labourers in Perne for allegedly quarrying laterite stones. Department has also seized 9 power tillers. Earlier in the month of March, department had raided the same site and had seized 7 machines, but till date, the concerned offenders haven't paid the fine as the file is missing from the Mines Department.
Officials from Perne Mamladar Office, Talati from Kasarwane Village Panchayat and Perne Police jointly conducted a raid at Turaskarwadi and Kasarwane on Tuesday. The officials seized 9 power tillers for allegedly quarrying laterite stones. Sources say 4 power tillers machines were at the site and 5 machines were hidden. Mines Department officials along with Kasarwane Panchayat sealed the machines at the site while 4 were brought to Pedne police station.
There they found illegal laterite stones being extracted. Totally 9 machines were found, out of which 4 were handed over to the police and 5 were sealed. And on the way back they found 1 basalt tipper, 2 sand and 1 laterite, total 5. 1 basalt was kept at Pedne police station and others at Porvorin.
Sources from department informed that on 31st March 2012, Mines Department officers Deepak Mayekar and Raju Gaus raided the same site and seized 7 power tillers for carrying out alleged quarrying of laterite stones. The file having record of that raid is missing from the department. When questioned about the missing files, Additional Director said he has no idea about the earlier raid.
So last time only त्या जाग्यार raid जाल्ली 6 महिने पयलीं मार्चान 31 तारखेर म्हणजे कासारवाडी that same place. तेंची कितें finding
That I should check out because we continuously conduct raids. As and when required, suppose we get a complaint, then we conduct raids.
Last time पडलेली
I'll have to check out. So we conduct many raids, so it's difficult to keep a track.
Reporter Mahesh Ghadi with video journalist Devendra Gaukar for Prudent.
The High Court has directed Goa police to go to Kashmir to trace whereabouts of alleged terrorist Tariq Ahmed Batlu. Batlu was arrested with explosives from Madgaon railway station in 2006. Later, he was acquitted by the trial court as prosecution could not prove the case with circumstantial evidence. Goa police had challenged trial court's order in the High Court almost 4 years back, but Batlu is untraceable since then.
The High Court of Bombay at Goa on Wednesday directed Goa police to trace whereabouts of the terror suspect Tariq Ahmed Batlu within 8 weeks. High Court is hearing government's plea against Batlu's acquittal by the trial court. The High Court directed investigating officer in the case to visit Srinagar and take help of concerned Commissioner of Police in tracing the terror suspect. Batlu was arrested in March 2006 from Madgaon railway station with RDX explosive detonator and a hand grenade. He was charged for carrying explosive substance for terror activities, but Goa police failed to prove charges before the trial court. In July 2008, trial court at Madgaon acquitted Batlu from all the charges and he was released from jail. In 2009, Goa police challenged trial court's order before the High Court, but Batlu never appeared. Goa police visited 3 times at his Srinagar address but were unable to trace him. If Batlu does not appear before the High Court on next hearing, process of declaring him proclaimed offender will begin. In front of media, Batlu's brother had claimed that Batlu was forcibly taken into custody by unknown at Delhi airport while he was on his way back to Srinagar, but there is no such report on record with Goa police. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Sluice gate Moby the Grand opened by some miscreants irked the farmer from Messays. Chairman of Moby the Grand complained to police station, but no action till date against any individual. Prudent had earlier exposed the attitude of the Moby the Grand committee members. Talati of the Messays Panchayat visited the site and conducted the inspection on Wednesday. The Swadi Mamlatdar has not taken action against the committee. Local farmers have demanded immediate action against this committee.
हेजेर पुलीस कंप्लेन पासून हांवें केला पुलीस कंप्लेन रजिस्टर केला आनी जे अशें कोण म्हज्या फाटल्यान कोत्ता न्हू ताका तुमी अरेस्ट करचो म्हणून हांव मागतां. हे चेअरमॅनान ताणें रिपेर केल्ली कवणां पूण हेणी 2 दिसांनी कवणां काडून आनी उदक मायज घेवन हे कमिटीचे मेंबर आपल्याच्या फायद्याक ब्लास्ट दिसा आनी केशव नायक हे मानशेची नाटकां कोत्ता हिंगा माणसो मोडटा जाता तितल्या बेगीन हांव मागता आमच्या मामलादाराक हिंका काडून रोवचे दोगांकी न्यू इलेक्शन करचे आनी हांव मागता जाता तितली पोट्टी सगळी रिपेर करची आनी न्या शेतकारां कोणें आमचे फॉरेन जेन्युइन शेतकार हे आपणाची शेतां अजून पासून रोयता तांकाणे तांच्या तेंपान इमानस दिवची.
आता फोनकूल पडला म्हाज्या ते फोनकूल म्हाका पुरोवन दिवंक जाय माती घालून दिवंक जाय तोय कितें माती घालून दिवंक जाय म्हाका 2 पाटां शेवड येलो मेळना हांव कितें करूं म्हाजो दुरवांचो आगोत तो जाता ते कर म्हणटा वयल्यान कमिटी हाती.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.